In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a linear gradient to an image in Fotor. A linear gradient is a smooth transition between two or more colors in a straight line, and it's great for adding depth, creating overlays for text, or subtly shifting the mood of a photo. We'll do everything right in your browser, so you don't need to install anything. Start by opening your browser and heading to Fotor.com. Once the page loads, look for My Library. That's where you'll access the image or project you want to edit. Click My Library and select your image or project from your available files. If your image is already part of a project, selecting it here brings it onto the canvas so you're ready to edit. Now turn your attention to the left toolbar. Click Elements. This is where Fotor keeps shapes, decorations, and effects you can drag onto your canvas. Scroll through the options until you find Gradient. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type Linear Gradient. This narrows the results so you can find exactly what you need. From the options, choose Linear Gradient. You'll see different gradient tiles that preview color blends. Pick one that's closest to the look you want. You can fine-tune it in a moment. Drag the gradient onto your image or canvas. As soon as it lands on the canvas, it acts like a layer you can move, resize, and edit. Click the gradient to bring up its toolbar. Here you can change the colors, adjust the angle, and control the opacity. Try selecting colors that complement your photo, using a darker color for the edge you want to tone down, and a lighter or brand color where you want emphasis. Adjust the angle so the gradient follows your composition. For example, tilting it can guide the eye toward a subject. Use opacity to decide how strong the overlay should be. Lower opacity creates a gentle wash. Higher opacity makes a bold effect. Resize or rotate the gradient as needed to cover exactly the area you want. Drag the handles on the corners to scale it, and rotate it to match the direction of your composition. You can also reposition it to make sure the transition lands where it looks most natural. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right and click Download. Choose your preferred format, PNG for higher quality and cleaner edges, or JPG for smaller file size, and then click Download. Your linear gradient is now applied, and your image is ready to share or use in your next project.